Sexy body.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today we are going to be playing Cluster Truck. I want to play this game because it's old and I've had it for a while. I don't know if this music is copyright, so I turned it all the way down to 5. So yeah, let's just get into the game. I have that many style points, and pretty much I'm like almost to the end actually. I can probably buy a few of these, but I don't want to. I'm going to just keep epic mode and the other one on, and let's see. So first one, desert. Let's go first. Easy as pie. And that's how fun cluster I almost said cluster F word. Don't want to do that. I don't want to buy. This is why I love epic mode. Okay, let's try this again. I love epic mode. I don't even know why they added it to the game. Let's go ahead and turn the bloom off. And let's turn the audio down a little bit to 10. Because it was a little bit loud. So let's go to level 3. That's a little better. Woo! Love Cluster Truck, man. It's one of the funnest games that I have. Alright, oh, I forgot about sprinting. I actually have it set to control, so. Boom! Actually, I don't think I have it set to control. I didn't think yeah, it's shift. Definitely shift. Oh, and you double jump a lot farther when you. Woo! That is sick, dude. Oh, I almost died. Oh, I hit the freaking thing. Master. Heck yeah, I am. Oh. I already got the Side Rider achievement, so I don't need that. Oh, lag. Did you see that? That was so bad lag. It just like kicked me off. It's like, no, you don't get on this truck. You don't deserve it. Holy truck. Holy truck. Do you hear those trucks in the background? Alright, let's go for another. Okay, that did not happen. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Whoop. Oh, that looks so cool. Alright. Oh, did you see that? Alright, watch this. Flip. I flipped and I died. Again. Wait, I completed the last one. I thought I died. Whatever. Of course. Oh, like a boss. This is what I really need epic mode on. Holy crap. That was sick. I do need epic mode for this. Alright, go immediately is my way. Stay on. That's what happens when you get hit by a truck. What? I love the depth of view. Oh. Oh! I am a master at this game. I told you guys. Actually, I didn't tell you guys. I lied. Yep, that's what I get. Oh, I survived that. Chihuahua. Yo, that was so close to the ground. I should have died there. I honestly really should have died. Okay, so I was about to tell you guys something that I would always mess up there because it was so hard for me, and obviously it's. Oh. All right, here we go. Oh, shit. All right, here we go. I'm just face planted into that. That was my fault. Again. Okay. It's like I just dive head first right into that. Oh. Okay. Alright, here's how you don't mess up horribly. Okay. Here's how you don't mess up horribly. Oh! Alright, here's how you don't mess up horribly. Here is how you don't mess up. Okay, I didn't mess up. That was not. Okay, that wasn't messed up. Oh, dude, I feel so bad for the guy I'm playing as. I don't even know what I'm playing as. I don't have hands or feet. I can do a perfect flip. Go! Oh! Alright. Here we go. Second attempt! Ah! Okay. Third attempt. Oh. Alright. And then just jump from there. Okay. Oh my god. No! Dude. Or Semtex. Why did I say Semtex? That's a grenade in Call of Duty. I thought I had screwed myself. Alright. You ready? I'm ready. Ready to die! Poop, 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 poop! What? Excuse me! I'm speechless. Alright, that's it. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna die on your level so many times that I will not only have half a face, but no limbs. Okay. And maybe no torso. And maybe like half a lung. Yeah, seems about right. What? I jumped! I swear. This game is hilarious. It's like one of the best games ever. Alright. Oh! My epic mode is like freaking deja vu playing.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street and I know it's my time to go. Going new and the search is a mystery. Standing on my feet, it's so hard when I try to be me. Whoa, deja vu, I just been in this time before. Higher on the beat and I know it's a place to go. Going new and the search is a mystery. Standing on my feet, it's so hard when I try to be me. I just been in this place before. Higher on the street and I know it's my time to go.
My truck, get on Larry's truck. Okay. I died. Yeah.
Deja vu, I just been in this place.
Yes, we made it. Okay, don't jinx. Okay, so I got better abilities, so hopefully. No way. Okay, and then I can slow down time. Alright, so let's. I keep trying to do double jump. Doesn't work. Swoosh. Okay. Slow down time. Let's. Okay, not slip on. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and slow. Okay, never mind. Go. Take me to Le Finish. Woo! That took way too long. This is gonna be a very, very long episode. I'll try and cut 2 out as much I can. Oh no. Oh. That was sick as heck. I stay in the middle and move. Flip. Yes! First try. Whew. Okay. Okay, that's fair enough. I finished them in one attempt. Way too much. Okay, get as I did before the time stopped. What just happened? I don't even know. Oh! My character's stomach has gotta be beat up because he goes dead center in the middle. Woo! Oh shiz! Oh no! I jumped far. Tried to dash. And yes, I know. I kind of suck at this game. Oh, jump this level. Oh, I know this one. Gravity stop. Oh, flip. Okay. It's like gravity stop in GTA. Everything goes like insanely slow. Swoosh! Actually, it's called moon gravity. It's not called gravity stop. Oh! Oh no! Okay. Right. We're gonna try and make it up onto there, that wood thing. With the dash and with the falling trucks, I think we can make it up there. I don't think that's where you're supposed to go, but it'll be a little bit easier. Nope, that's not possible. Come on, land on this truck. No, come on. This level is bull crab. Carp. Magikarp. Okay. Okay. Alright. I'm actually getting mad at this game. This is why I haven't played it for friggin' ever. And I know you're not supposed to. Okay, I don't know how, but I lived through that. How do you freaking do that? That was sick. If you're on trucks and you dash, you go insanely far. No. God, no. Oh, God. Oh, dear Jesus. Oh, nailed it. No, I didn't. Oh, yes, I did. Nailed it. Oh, wait, no, I didn't mean to jump. Oh, crap. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Then we'll see if I want to continue. Continue? Oh! Yo! That scared the crap out of me, man. That was scary as heck, man. Boulders! Holy! There's explosions in this game? This one truck might survive. Swoosh! Oh no. Oh god. Oh! No way! No way! No way I just completed that. I'm not complaining. Let's go. Okay, I can jump that one. Bam! Go ahead. Do that one. Stay here. Bam. Good. Alright. We good? And land on here. Wait for this truck. Bam! Whoop! What? And we're good. Now we wait for my dash. And we go. Yeet. Goal's right there. Let's dash into the goal. No. Oh. Okay. Okay. Wait. Am I gonna make this or am? Oh. Oh. All right. That was really close. Oh, it's level, or it's the next thing. I actually remember this level. It's pretty easy. Right under the Alright, this is probably gonna be the last level and then I'm done. Okay. Alright. I'm not bad at this game. I just kinda suck. No! Alright, 2 more attempts on this level and then I'm done. I stick to my word. And my word is that I suck. Oh no. Bye! Alright, this is the last attempt. After this I'm going and I'm ending the video because I suck at this game and I don't want to die from rage. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye!